Ancient Greece, a land of brilliant thinkers, fearless warriors, and captivating stories. This civilization, flourishing thousands of years ago, left an indelible mark on the world. From the heights of Mount Olympus to the bustling marketplaces of Athens, ancient Greece pulsated with a vibrant energy. It was a time of exploration, both physical and intellectual, that laid the groundwork for much of Western civilization. The echoes of ancient Greece resonate even today. Our architecture, our governments, our very understanding of the world, all bear the imprint of this remarkable civilization. To understand ancient Greece is to embark on a journey to the roots of our own culture. It's a journey worth taking, for it illuminates not only the past, but also the present. Join me then, as we delve into the world of ancient Greece, exploring its enduring legacy and its profound impact on the world we know today. We'll trace the threads of influence from the sun-drenched shores of the Aegean Sea to the bustling cities of our modern age. The ancient Greeks were a deeply religious people. Their gods and goddesses, believed to reside on Mount Olympus, were not distant ethereal beings. Instead, they possessed human-like qualities, complete with flaws and passions. Zeus, the king of the gods, ruled over the heavens. His wife, Hera, was the goddess of marriage. Poseidon commanded the seas, while Hades held dominion over the underworld. These deities, and countless others, populated the Greek imagination. They explained natural phenomena, influenced human affairs, and provided a framework for understanding the world. When the Roman Empire rose to prominence centuries later, they readily adopted and adapted many elements of Greek religion. Roman gods, like Jupiter, Juno, and Neptune, were essentially Romanized versions of their Greek counterparts. This cultural exchange highlights the enduring influence of Greek beliefs. The Romans, known for their pragmatism, saw value in incorporating Greek deities into their own pantheon. This fusion of cultures left an enduring mark on Western religious traditions. Ancient Greece was not a unified empire, but rather a collection of independent city-states. Each city-state had its own government and laws. Athens, perhaps the most famous of these city-states, gave rise to a radical new form of government: democracy. In Athenian democracy, citizens participated directly in political decision-making. They gathered in assemblies to debate and vote on laws. This system, while not without its flaws, was revolutionary for its time. It stood in stark contrast to the monarchies and oligarchies that prevailed in other parts of the ancient world. The Athenian experiment in democracy, though short-lived in its purest form, had a profound and lasting impact. It provided a powerful model for later societies striving for self-governance. The founding fathers of the United States, for instance, drew inspiration from Athenian democracy when crafting their own system of government. Life in ancient Greece was as diverse as the Aegean Sea itself. Each city-state possessed its own unique character and customs. Athens was renowned for its intellectual and artistic achievements, while Sparta was known for its military prowess. Despite their differences, Greek city-states shared a common cultural thread. They spoke the same language, worshipped the same gods, and participated in pan-Hellenic festivals, such as the Olympic Games. This shared heritage fostered a sense of unity among the Greeks, even as they competed for power and influence. Within each city-state, society was rigidly structured. At the top were the citizens, who enjoyed political rights and privileges. Below them were non-citizens, including women, foreigners, and slaves. This hierarchical system, though unequal by modern standards, was a defining feature of ancient Greek life. The ancient Greeks possessed an insatiable thirst for knowledge. They questioned the nature of reality, the meaning of existence, and the workings of the natural world. From this spirit of inquiry arose philosophy, a word derived from the Greek words for love and wisdom. Socrates, perhaps the most famous of the Greek philosophers, challenged conventional wisdom with his relentless questioning. His student, Plato, explored profound questions about justice, truth, and the ideal society. Aristotle, Plato's student, made groundbreaking contributions to logic, ethics, and natural science. The ideas of these philosophers, and countless others, reverberated through the ages. Their writings laid the groundwork for Western intellectual tradition. Their influence can be seen in fields as diverse as science, politics, and art. The ancient Greeks recognized the power of mathematics as a tool for understanding the universe. They saw order and patterns in the natural world, and they sought to express those patterns through the language of numbers and geometry. Pythagoras, a mathematician and philosopher, is best known for his theorem relating the sides of a right triangle. Euclid, another towering figure in Greek mathematics, systematized geometry in his seminal work, Elements. Archimedes, a brilliant inventor and mathematician, made significant contributions to geometry, calculus, and physics. These mathematical breakthroughs had far-reaching implications. They not only advanced our understanding of mathematics, but also laid the foundation for fields like engineering, architecture, and astronomy. Even today, students around the world study the principles first articulated by these ancient Greek thinkers. The ancient Greeks were master builders and storytellers. Their architectural achievements stand as testaments to their ingenuity and artistic sensibility. The Parthenon, a temple dedicated to the goddess Athena, is a masterpiece of classical architecture. Its harmonious proportions and intricate sculptures have inspired awe for centuries. Greek mythology, passed down through generations, continues to captivate our imaginations. The epic poems of Homer, the Iliad, and the Odyssey tell tales of heroes, gods, and monsters. These stories explore universal themes of love, loss, courage, and fate, resonating with audiences across cultures and time periods. The ancient Greeks understood the power of art to elevate the human spirit. Their legacy lives on not just in the physical structures they left behind, but also in the timeless stories they told. These stories continue to teach us about ourselves and the world we inhabit. The ancient Greeks valued physical prowess and competition. The Olympic Games, held every 4 years in honor of Zeus, brought athletes from across the Greek world to compete in a variety of sports. These games were a testament to the human spirit and a celebration of athletic excellence. Theater was another cornerstone of ancient Greek culture. Playwrights like Sophocles, Euripides, and Aristophanes wrote tragedies and comedies that explored the human condition. These plays, performed in open-air theaters, provided entertainment, provoked thought, and served as a forum for social commentary. The Olympics and the theater represent but two of the many cultural gifts bestowed upon us by the ancient Greeks. These traditions, albeit in evolved forms, continue to enrich our lives and connect us to our shared human heritage. The legacy of ancient Greece is all around us. Our architecture often echoes the classical styles of the Greeks. Our democratic ideals can be traced back to the Athenian experiment in self-governance. Our understanding of mathematics, science, and philosophy is built upon the foundations laid by Greek thinkers. Even our language bears the imprint of ancient Greece. Many English words, especially in the realms of science, medicine, and technology, have Greek roots. Democracy, philosophy, physics, astronomy, these words and countless others remind us of the enduring influence of ancient Greek culture. To study ancient Greece is not merely to delve into the past. It is to gain a deeper understanding of the present. The ideas, innovations, and artistic achievements of this remarkable civilization continue to shape our world in countless ways. Ancient Greece, though long vanished, left an indelible mark on the tapestry of human history. Its contributions to art, architecture, philosophy, mathematics, science, and government have shaped the course of Western civilization. As we marvel at the ruins of the Parthenon or ponder the timeless wisdom of Socrates, we are reminded of the enduring power of human ingenuity and creativity. The legacy of ancient Greece serves as a powerful reminder that the past is not lost to us. It lives on in our institutions, our ideas, and our very way of life. By studying the achievements of this remarkable civilization, we gain a deeper appreciation for our own heritage and a renewed sense of possibility for the future.